How to add email in Discord. So if you want to add email in Discord, then first open up your Discord application. Once you've opened your Discord, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for settings, which is on the upper right, and under your settings you need to go for account, and under account here you will have email option, right? Tap on email and you can tap on send verification code. So here it says that we'll need to verify your old email address, which is podelnaveen@gmail.com, in order to change it. So if you want to change your email address, then you need to verify your email address. Tap on send verification code, and then you will receive a verification code to the email address which you have just entered. So you need to enter the verification code here. Once you've entered, tap on next, and then you need to enter the new email address which you would like to change. So after entering your new email address, you need to tap on change email, and then in the same way you will receive a verification code to the new email address, and once you've entered the verification code, your email address will be changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your email in Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.